Welcome. If you've ever found the perfect image on Pinterest and wanted to save it to your device, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to download a pin image directly from Pinterest, making it easy to keep your favorite inspiration right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see all your saved pins and boards. You can either tap on pins to browse your collection or use the search bar at the top to find a specific image you want to download. Once you've found the image you want, tap on the pin to open it. This will bring up a detailed view of the image, along with more information and options. Now, look for the three dots, usually located in the upper right corner or just below the image. Tap on these three dots to open a menu with several options related to the pin. From the menu, select Download Image. If this is your first time downloading from Pinterest, your device might ask for permission to save images. Simply tap Allow or OK. The image will then be saved directly to your device's photo gallery or camera roll, ready for you to access anytime you like. That's all there is to it. In just a few quick steps, you can download any pin image from Pinterest and keep your favorite ideas close at hand. Whether you're collecting design inspiration, recipes, or just beautiful photos, this method makes saving images simple and fast. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for getting the most out of your favorite apps. Happy pinning and happy downloading.